Today I want us to talk about onion seedling growing or onion seedling farming. You can farm your onion seedlings for business as a propagator, not to farm them, or you can grow your onion seedlings to grow them in your farm like I do. So many people are doing business in these onion seedlings, but in my case, I'm doing them to grow them in my farm. So whichever route you take, that at the end of it, or what we want to focus on is making money, because at the end of it, we want to generate income out of what we do. And in that topic, I want us to look at the important key things, or the key important part when it comes to onion seedling farming, because you cannot just wake up and decide to grow onions. You need the preparation. And before you start onion seedling farming, one, you need to plan. And the planning now is the key thing, or they are the important things now you need to look at. When planning, what are you supposed to look at? For you to achieve such a beautiful field, such a good field, what are the things to look at? Those are the things now I want us to discuss. One is the seed that you're going to farm. The section of the land that you're going to farm is very key. And the type of irrigation that you're going to use is very, very important. Talking of the seed, you can do F1 varieties, which is an hybrid varieties. We have different hybrid varieties. Or you can do the OPV, which is open pollinated varieties, just the locally made seeds. All type of seeds can give you good returns. I've gone to Tanzania where they do OPV. They are making good money out of it. Here in our country, Kenya, we are doing hybrid. We are also making good returns out of it. But both hybrid and OPV, they have different cost implications. Hybrid is expensive as compared to OPV. The same thing happened to production. The OPV variety is lighter as compared to hybrid. So the bulb of OPV is lighter as compared to hybrid. But the production, how managed well, they perfectly produce. So you need to know when budgeting or when choosing the seeds, you need to look at that. From there, you need to have a nutritional plan. You need to know when to apply fertilizer and when to apply foliar. And when we talk of nutritional plan, or when we talk of feeding plan, irrigation comes hand in hand with the feeding plan, because you cannot apply fertilizer, you cannot apply foliar minus the irrigation. So you need to know when to irrigate and not when to irrigate. In my case, I've been doing irrigation twice or thrice per week, depending by the weather condition of the day. If it's very hot, sometimes I irrigate 4 times or 5 times per week. If it's very cold, sometimes I irrigate once per week if it's cold and misty. So these are the plan you need to develop for you to succeed into onion farming. No matter the location, no matter where you are, this plan works for you. Then another thing, you need to have a pest control plan. You need to consult. If you are not an expert, you need to know the pest that is going to attack your onions. You need to prepare yourself. You need to have organic products. You need to have pesticides. You need to know what to do for you to be able to control the pest. From there, also, you need to have a plan of disease. Pest and disease comes hand in hand. So you need to have a plan on the disease control. That also, you need to have a good fungicide, maybe organic or inorganic, whichever you choose, it's up to you. And last but not least, you need to know how to control the weeds in your nurseries. This has been a big thing that we've discussed in our previous videos. You can go check our previous, and I've given you a precaution not to use a herbicide to control weeds in your nursery. All you need to go, come weed manually and make sure that you remove weed to prevent competition. The reason why I've not weeded as you speak is because I'm removing them, so it will not be it will not be economical to do the weeding, and within few days I'm removing the onion seedlings. So much of the classes on what we've discussed, many topics have been covered. I've covered them under this session, onion farming playlist. So you can go there and check and become a better farmer. Hope you've learned something from our today's discussion. If this is your first time that you're watching me, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, become a member of this YouTube channel. Join to be a member of this YouTube channel so that we can continue learning together. Bye.